is up, my gang? I did some online shopping on Sephora and I just absolutely love how you can pick out 2 free samples with every order. And this being my order, today's brand that we are trying, Bread, I did get some new small silk scrunchies because I love them. I used to think that I only needed the oversized ones, but these are a true game changer. And who really put me on is the brand Crowned Silk. I will be giving my initial review about this mud mask. The only other clay mask that I've tried is the Aztec clay mask, and I gotta say I love that mask, especially using it before a wash and go. So I'm super excited to try this product. The packaging is it. I love when my products are aesthetically pleasing to the eye, but I need my products to still come through, so let's see what this does for me. Over here, we do read instructions every single time, and this brand wants you to massage it into your scalp and then apply to the rest of your hair and section as you go. If you're wondering, yes, this is an old wash and go, and the reason it looks so undefined is because I had it in this claw hairstyle all week. I'm obsessed with that hairstyle, especially when I don't feel like wearing my hair out. Of course, making that content on content for my other platforms. I love starting my wash day super early, and we're just gonna start off by wetting and soaking my very thick, low porosity hair. Having such thick hair, I just feel like sectioning your hair, especially for a mask like this, doing that first is the best option, and then wetting it before sectioning it is going to make it a lot easier. It had like this little foil seal on it, and you could do this. I don't know, that was just like really fun for me to do for some reason. The thing that I was looking forward to the most was that I didn't actually have to prepare this mask. It just comes in a package and you just use it instead of having to, you know, get all of the ingredients for the Aztec clay mask, right? I'm a lock to smell a product, and the smell actually didn't bother me. It started to grow on me the more I used it. When I first put it on, it just instantly melted in my hair, which I wasn't expecting at all. I was comparing this mask off the bat to the Aztec clay mask because I love that mask so much. Plus, I've been using it for years, and for some reason, I just thought, you know, all clay masks are the same. Definitely not the case. I then proceeded to add a whole bunch just because I was looking for this mask to do what the Aztec clay mask does, and I shouldn't do that. I was like, Jasmine, this mask isn't gonna do what the Aztec clay mask does because they're 2 different masks, so stop thinking about that mask. So for the rest of this video, I'm not even gonna bring that mask back up. It's just going to be strictly about my review for this Bread mask. And 3 things I definitely want to hit on about this mask is the price, the ingredients, and how necessary this mask is / how convenient it is. Very simple and easy to use. I'm just going through each section and applying it to my hair. This product claims to reset your curls, make them super soft, make them super shiny, detoxifies your scalp, also stimulates hair growth. It says it's good for flaky / dry scalp, which I can completely see because this mask is not drying at all. I was expecting it to harden up or something. It never did that. It's actually pretty smooth. I think it's a really great balance if you're looking for a clay mask that's not going to dry your hair out, but also give you that like detox effect that clay masks are supposed to do. This mask is $34, and I don't know about y'all, but that's a little pricey, okay? For this bottle size, I think that I could definitely get 2 uses, maybe 3 if I portioned it right. I was a little scared of using too much product because I was like, oh my god, am I running low? I even dropped some in the tub, but I was like, nah, I can't waste this product. Like, that's how I was feeling. Just because it is a little pricey. This isn't, you know, something that many people can just afford on the regular, I think. That's just my opinion. I don't know, I could be wrong. It does say to leave the mask on for 20 minutes, and this is what my hair was looking like after that 20 minutes. Again, it's not super hard. Like, it's pretty manageable. Like, of course I wouldn't like try to detangle it, but as soon as I rinse it out, this mask is not gonna have a problem coming out. Definitely gonna follow it up with a shampoo, and even in the instructions it says to follow it up with the shampoo. This mask is a pre-wash treatment. Number one thing that I love about it is how it's packaged and how you can just instantly use it. And the second thing I absolutely love is the ingredients in this product. Of course, clay, and then it has broccoli extract, which is like pretty dope. Like, I got broccoli in my hair. I just love when products have like creative ingredients that have shown benefits. Like broccoli abstract is an antioxidant, and it also has matcha tea leaf, which is the ingredient that encourages growth. According to Sephora, it is clean, which means that they have this huge list of ingredients that have shown that they are harmful to human health or the environment that are not in this product. There's also no fragrance added, which is something that I really appreciated. I love when a product doesn't need added fragrance or added perfume. Like, let's just enjoy that, you know, that earthy smell, okay? And now I'm just continuing my wash day as I am instructed to do so. I'm going in with a favorite shampoo, melanin hair care, but I really need to go buy me a clarifying shampoo because I've been slacking and I feel like the buildup on my hair is starting to show. But anyways, I shampoo and then I deep condition. I always deep condition after a clay mask. Then I just did a wash and go. I'm gonna show y'all the results of that wash and go. Third point that I wanted to touch on about this product is how necessary it is. Like, did it make my wash day easier? Did it reset my curls as it tells me it's going to? I feel like I would need to use this product. I would at least need to finish this product all the way through, because right now, just after one use, it kind of just feels like I didn't feel a huge significant change if I were to just do my shampoo, deep condition, and then my wash and go. I didn't feel a huge difference. I didn't see a huge difference in how my wash and go turned out. If anything, my wash and go didn't even last me throughout the week the way I wanted it to, and I really think that's because I need to get a clarifying shampoo and get all of this buildup out of my hair. But that's gonna be a video for another time. My hair looks super shiny here. It was easy to apply my products. Would I recommend this to a friend after the first time using it? No, especially because it's $34, girl, almost $40. My honest review right now is, let me finish this bottle and let me see. If you are considering buying it and you know you're clicking on this video, you already have it in the cart and you like you know, I don't mind spending, go ahead and try it. Like, if you're looking for a clay mask, I would definitely say this is a contender. It has some great benefits and great ingredients. If you're already, you know, halfway there to buying it, go ahead. If you haven't really had your eye on this product, you know, let me get back to you for my full review about it. But yeah, my hair did turn out great. There was definitely no harm in using this product. Let me know your thoughts, because the curls are popping, do not get me wrong. My only question though is, would my hair have turned out just like this without using that mask? That's all I got for y'all this week. I will catch y'all next week with a new video, and until then, deuces.